Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The English translation of Suratul Qariya is going to be presented here. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Al-Qariya, the disaster. Mal-Qariya, Mal-Qariya, what is the disaster? وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الْقَارِيَةُ. Would that you knew what the disaster is. يَوْمَ يَكُونُ النَّاسُ كَالْفَرَاشِ الْمَبْثُوثِ. On that day men shall become like scattered moths. وَتَكُونُ الْجِبَالُ كَالْعِهْنِ الْمَنفُوشِ. And mountains like tufts of carded wool. And the mountain will be like carded wool. فَأَمَّا مَنْ ثَقُلَتْ مَوَازِينُهُ. Then he whose scales are heavy. Then as for him whose balance will be heavy, هُوَ فِي عَيْشَةٍ رَاضِيَةٍ. He will live a pleasant life, shall dwell in bliss. وَأَمَّا مَنْ خَفَّتْ مَوَازِينُهُ. But he whose scales are light. But as for him whose balance will be light, فَأُمُّهُ هَاوِيَةٌ. The base shall be his home. He will have his home in Haviya, in hell. وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا هِيَ. And what will make you know what it is? If only you knew what this is like. Narun Hamiya, a fiercely blazing fire. It is a scorching fire. Sadaqallahu al-Azim. Allah Almighty has said truth. Jazakallah khair. Shukran. Barakallah.